Hello friends, today we will learn control statements in very deep. Okay, control statement. So before going to this, we first feel this. What is this control statement is? Because before just jumping to the codes, we should first learn what is its need and what is its behavior. Okay, why we are studying this? Okay, before jumping to the field to the road, first we should drive inside the field to test our knowledge in the field. After that, we will drive the car on the road. Like that, first we should just understand why we are studying control statement. What is the need to learn control statement? Because everything has some need. So, before jumping to the main concept, we should just understand before that what it is, why is it. As when we go for car, before that we should learn why we are driving a car. Because just like what actually what a car does, it means the speed increases. That's why in less time we just manage to cover the distance. Okay, that's why we use a car to drive. Like that, what is the need of control statement? That first we will understood. Okay, that first we will try to understood. After that we will jump to the concepts. Okay, so let's feel it. Like what it is control. Okay, we are controlling something. And why statement? Okay, we are providing some statements. So two things are we are seeing on our screen, that one is written like control and one is written as statements. Okay, for no, we know that inside code we use statements, that we are filling it. Okay, statements that we use like int a equal to 5 is the statement. Okay. After that what I have told, like a plus equal to 5 is the statement. Okay, like this, a plus plus is the statement. The examples which I taking is before the control statements. Okay, these all are the examples which I have taught you before the control statements in the live class. So these examples you can see, these all are the statements. Okay, so this statement is that a statement only, that we will also see. With that we will try to understand what is control. Okay, what is control? So let's first go to the chat gpt and ask from chat gpt that what is this control statement. Okay, let's just feel it first. Let's go to the chat gpt and see this. What is this chat, what is this control statement? Okay, something it is very much so we just want to see the definition first. What is control statement? Okay, what is this? I want to know this. Okay, so let's press here and see on the screen what is this. So the definitions are coming here. So let's see a control statement. Okay, A control statement is a type of programming statement, okay, used to determine the flow of execution in a program based on specific conditions or actions, okay. Control statement allows the program to make a decision, repeat action, or jump to specific part of the code, enabling from dynamic and flexible behavior. Okay, so what it is written here, flow of execution in a program based on specific conditions. Now, when before control statement, we are not taking any conditions or actions, but when we get to a knowledge of control statement, then we can provide some specific conditions or actions. Control statement allows the program to make decisions. Now our codes can take decision as we provide statements, as a statement provided by the programmer. So we can now take decisions, repeat the actions, okay, or jump, okay, fine. Specific part of a code, okay, not the all code, the specific part of a code, enabling more dynamic and flexible behavior. Why dynamic and flexible behavior? We as a human, okay, do a dynamic and flexible behavior. That's why we want our computer to do the same thing, okay. We want to make our computer a human, so it should behave like a human. It should make some decisions, okay, repeat the actions, okay, jump to the specific part. So these all things we want that our computer should perform. So this can be possible when we learn control statement. And why the statement? Because we as a human, as a programmer, providing the statement code, okay, like we are giving a statement to another human, okay, that just bring chocolate for me. So it is a statement like that. The statement I am providing to the computer. That's the difference is from one human to another human. We provide some statement, then he just or we can say order. Okay, we give some order to the other human, and he perform the work. Okay, so we are controlling that human also, and he is also performing work for us. So like that we can understood that what this actually the control statement is. Okay, first of all, let's come on the screen. Okay, let's come on the screen. See, I will take time to make you understand, because if you understand for the first time, you will not remember forget. Okay, you will not get forget. So that's why I am providing uh, in a very deeper way. So you will just make it remembered forever. Okay, so come here. See, let's first make our computer. This is our computer. Okay, and this is the human. Okay, so I am just providing the name human, and it is a computer. Okay, so first of all, let's talk between the two human. Okay, two human. This is human one. Okay, and the another one is human two. So they are basically two human. Okay, so we can say that this human is what? His controller. To whom he is controlling? To human two. Okay, human two. For the understanding, I am telling like that. Okay, so human one is controlling to human 2, as we can say that he is the boss of human 2. So he is giving some projects, okay, some work to human 2 to perform. So for now, human 1 is the controller of human 2, okay. So we want that the human 2 should be take some decision, make some decision, okay, to perform some work. So human one just give some order, some statement to human two to perform. Okay, so he have given that just perform a work. Okay, that he have provided some projects to him and told him just complete in this in 7 weeks. Sorry, 7 days means 1 week. Complete this project in 1 week. Okay, so after that, human to start performing the work and trying his best to perform, okay, in 7 days. So what is actually happening? human 1 controlling human 2, and given some decisions, okay, given some timeline, okay, in that timeline you have to perform the work, okay. So human 1 is providing human 2 a condition, okay. What is that condition? Is the condition is that you have to just do the projects on means in 7 days, okay, like that. You have to complete the all project in 7 days. So human 2 is what here? He is just taking a decision and doing the work like that. In the case of this, when a human talks with computer, so computer don't have mind, okay. So we provide mind. We just want that computer should perform task. Why? Because we want that our work should be done faster. That's why we want that our computer should work for us, okay. That's why, because computer can do the work very fast. That's why we are giving task to the computer, okay. But the computer is not a human, but we want that our computer should work like a human. So we are just making the computer like a controller, okay, a decision maker, okay, providing some conditions to the computer, okay. So that's why our computer, okay, become like a human. And how it can be become human? When we provide control statements to this computer, okay. So if we provide, so human like computer, okay, so we can say our computer is like human. But that much work we are giving to computer, that much work the computer can do. Why? Because he doesn't have mind, okay. We are just controlling it, full control in our hand as a programmer to the computer, okay. Nothing more computer can do, okay. So I think that you understood this much, okay. I think that you have understood this much. So just join with me, subscribe my channel, okay, like my channel. You can also comment uh, to me if any doubt you have, okay, you can comment to me. So till now I have make you understand that we want that our computer to become like a human. And how we can do it? When we provide computer a control, okay. But the controller is who? Controller is the human. And human is controlling to whom? Human is controlling to the computer, okay, like that. And why the statement is because we are giving statements to the computer and trying to control the computer. Why to try to control to the computer? Because we want that our computer also behave like a decision maker, okay. Why we want that our computer should become a decision maker? Because a human is also make decisions. That's why we want that our computer also take some decisions, okay. Why? Because we want that computer perform our task, because computer can do the task very fast, okay. That's all the situation is, okay. So I think that you have understood this, why we are studying control statements, okay. So before that I taught you operators, okay. I have taught you tokens, features, that all topics. One more topic I have taught, variables and data types. Till now we don't have a controller, okay. But from now, which I am teaching you, okay, here the controller introduced, okay. So let's check what are they. Let's remove this first, delete this, okay. See here. Okay, so there are actually two type of control statements. Okay, one are the decision making statements and one are the loop statement. Okay, so first of all, I will means define the categories. After that, we will focus one by one. Okay, we will go through one by one to the particular topics. Okay, first of all, I will sharing the chart. If sorry, decision making statement, okay, meant. Second is loop statements, looping statements, okay, looping statements. After the inside decision making statement, what are the categories? Let's see first. There is if, second one if else, third one is if else if ladder, okay, fourth one is switch. Fine, let's go and see what are the looping statements. Okay, for, okay, while, okay, do while, okay, and the fourth one is for each. For the for each, I will teach you later because it is more used in arrays and collection part. But till now, we don't know what are the arrays, what are the collection is. That's why I will teach you this 4 and this 3 one. Okay, this 4 and this 3 one. Fine. Uh, when I teach you array at that time, I will teach you this for each. Okay, fine. See, all have their own use. Okay, we can't say that if is not that much useful, that much if else is. Okay, and if both have demerit, then if else if ladder can handle. Okay, if all these having some demerit, then this switch will handle. Okay, but every conditions have their own importance. Okay, or oh, that the thing is, wait, first of all I will take example. Okay, take example and I make you understand. First we will go through if condition. Okay, if condition, then I will just go to if else, then I will go to if else if ladder, then switch. Okay, just first remove this, the whole thing. Let's more focus on the if condition. So I am just starting if condition. To concrete, fine, come here. Now I am starting if condition. Now see here. uh Actually, Java is what the creators of Java created Java like that. We should solve the problem of the real life. Okay, so whenever we doing coding inside the computer, we should feel that we are solving the problem of real time. Okay, why? Because in the end, at the end, we have to solve the real time problems only. So the creator of Java created Java like that. We should always feel that we are solving the problem of real time. Okay, see how it can be possible. So I'm taking one example. Fine. See, this is the father. Okay, this is the father, and the other one first right here, father, and the other one is the child. This is the child, son, not child, son. Let's take son. So, father tell to son that if you get a cutoff for what? Any exam, okay, exam result. If you clear the cutoff, then just reply to me. Okay. If not, don't reply. Okay, don't reply. That's the logic is. Okay. Father told to son that, again I'm repeating. Father told to son that uh, if you clear the cutoff, then reply to me. If not, don't reply. Okay, don't reply. So let's take that cutoff is let's take cutoff is 150. Okay, if he gets 150, okay, 150, then he can reply to his father. But if he not get 150, he should not. That's the logic is. Now, before jumping to this problem, first of all, let's see the syntax. What is the syntax of if? If condition, okay, condition and then block. And inside this statement is statement. Okay. So this is the condition. What is actually the condition is? Condition is means at the end the output should be of boolean type, true or false. That is the condition is. Okay. Whatever you write here, any logical operator provide, or you can provide relational operator, whatever operator you provide here, the outcome should be true or false. That should be the fixed. Okay, the boolean value. See, if the condition is true, okay, if the condition is true, then enter this block. Fine. If the condition is true, enter to this block. If the condition is false, if the condition is false, skip this block. Are you understanding? If the condition is true, come inside this block. If the condition is not, then just skip this block. Okay, see, our controller, okay, our controller move up to down, top to bottom, okay, top to bottom. So when this if will get executed, its condition should be checked. Okay, condition will be checked. Whatever the condition is, whatever the condition will be, that will be taken to consideration. Okay, if the condition is false, this block will not get executed. Okay, if the condition is true, then this block will be get executed. After that, the rest of the code will be get executed. That's the rule is. Okay, so see, I have explained you the syntax, and I have also given you the conditions. Okay, and one small problem that I have given to you. Okay, so let's solve this problem. See, as I have told to you that father, okay, father told to his son that if you just having number equals to 150 or greater than, then just reply to me. If not, don't reply. So I'm just providing that thing as a providing that logic, okay, to this question. See, if, okay, fine, if that number, first of all, we should just initialize it, okay. Int, first I will tell cutoff, cutoff. This is the cutoff, and cutoff is 150, okay. After that, after that, what is that number, okay. So number is what? Number is, let's take 145. Okay, use that. Now I will provide the condition if, okay, if num, okay, greater than, okay, if you are taking greater than equal to, then we can write here cutoff. So here should be 2f, okay, here should be 2f cutoff. See, like this. Wait, cut off, whatever, correct the spelling, okay, whatever the spelling will be. See, if the number, okay, will be greater than or equal to cutoff, okay, then he will, then this block will get executed. Why? Then this condition become true, then it will enter to the block. Here we can write dot out dot println. Okay, in this block I will write what? I will write this, that papa, I have passed the exam. Okay, and then I will just leave this. See, what the question is that if the num will be greater than equal to cutoff, then this block will execute it. If not, then this block will not execute it. So what will be the output? Nothing. Like that. Okay, because the condition is just if you are get pass, then reply to the father. If you didn't pass, don't reply. Just leave. Okay. So this is the logic behind this. Okay, now we will see inside our coding. Okay, so I will just see inside this coding. Fine, come here. Let's open the notepad. Notepad. So I'm opening the notepad. Fine. So here, how to write a code? Okay. So first of all, we just write class. Okay. Then the class name. So what we are studying? If else. So we are studying control statement. Just I am providing control. Just provide just control. Okay. This is the class control. Now I am just providing the block. Inside this block, we will provide the main method. Public static void main string args. Okay, whatever you want here you can provide str. Inside this we will provide the logics. Okay, see, when we are providing the logics we should focus inside the block. Okay, rest of the thing will be focused when we will learn. Oops. Okay, at that time we will focus that. Before that, we should focus inside the block of the main method. Inside that, because we provide logics there when we will solve the number programs. Okay, so here we will now initialize the thing. Int I equal to, so here we will providing the cutoff. Okay, cutoff. So cutoff is 150. Fine. After that, I will provide the number equal to, let's take 145. Now I am providing the condition if. Okay, so the condition is num should be greater than equal to cut off. This is the logic is. Inside this I will provide system.out.println the print statement. Fine. Here I will type Papa, I have passed the exam, like this. Okay, rest of the line should be empty. Okay, no need anything. See, now here we can see that our cutoff is 150, that it should be greater than, okay, greater than 150, but the num is what, 145. Okay, num is what, 145. So this condition become false. Okay, inside if condition it will become false. That's why this block will not get executed. Okay, that's the logic behind this. Now I am just pressing Control S. Okay, inside desktop I have created one Java codes folder. Inside that I will just save this code. Now I will just come here, remove this. Inside this I will just provide control. Okay, dot. Okay. I can't write control here because previously also I have just provided control. Okay, so I have just providing cont, cont. Okay, control S. Now I will provide here cont dot java. This is the name. See, this is the file name. This is the class name. Okay, but we should have practice of writing same. Okay, as a file name and the class name. Okay, the code, it will not come compile time error or any type of error, but it should be in the practice. Why it, I will give the reason in the further classes. Okay, and dot java, why? Because by this our operating system will understand this. Okay, that this file is of java. That's why dot java. Now I will save this cont.java inside java codes. Now I will go to my folder. Okay, which folder? This folder, java codes. Here I will just come and find that cont. So here you can see this cont, cont. Here I have written my code. Okay, this code is. Now just press on java codes. Okay, on the top. Now you will just write cmd enter. Okay, so see what will happen. You will just come inside Java codes. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to just provide Java. Okay, Java c cont dot Java. Okay, now after writing this, you should press enter. Okay, now our file will so our file become class file. Okay, inside that class file we get a bytecode. Okay, so come here, see cont, and here you can see cont.class. Okay, just right click. Okay, and just press copy. Come on the screen, press paste. Okay, now again come here and click right. Now just convert it from class to text, because I have to show to you something. So now it is converted into text. Press here, you can see here. Okay, this. So this is what? This is bytecodes. Okay, this bytecodes can't be understood by us. Okay, as a programmer, and the computer also can't understand this. Okay, the operating system, the actual operating system also can't understand this. Actually, what it is. Okay, only JVM can only convert, because the JVM can convert this, so we can execute. Okay, this on any type of computer, or sorry, any type of operating system. Okay, that type of JVM we installed on that type of operating system, and inside that operating system JVM convert that bytecodes, okay, to the low level language. Okay, after that we can see the output. Okay, so that is the actually bytecode is. So it is fully secured. No one means uh, understood this, that what actually it is written inside that. Now come here, just type Java cont and enter. So see, no output is here. Why no output is here? See why? Because num is greater than equal to cutoff and it becomes false. That's why here nothing is written. Now just change this 145 to 150. Now now the student, sorry, now the son can see, say to the father that I have passed the exam. Okay, so control S. Now come to CMD, just write here java c cont.java, enter. After that write java cont. So here the output is papa, I have passed the exam. Okay, so he can tell to his father. Now again I am converting 150 to 160. Control S. Again it will come the same output, because he have just clear the cutoff. Java C. Okay, con dot Java. Enter. After that, just see. Papa I have passed the exam. Okay. Now see, one more thing we can do. Okay, just type here greater than. Okay, inside this cutoff. Okay, just provide cutoff -1. So this can be possible or not. What is the cutoff? 150. We are subtracting -1, then it will become 149. And what will be the greater than 159, 149? That can be taken as a consideration. Okay, that then the condition becomes true. So if the num is 150, then the output should come what? Papa have passed the exam, because he actually passed the exam. Okay, he have just touched its cutoff, so he can tell to his father that I have passed the exam. So simply do the control S, come to the CMD, just clear the screen by typing the command cls and enter. Now come here, java c cont.java and java cont. Papa have passed the exam. So our logic is working. Okay. Now let's change it into 120. Sorry, 200. Okay. So again the output will come. Okay, it will definitely come. See, Papa have passed the exam, but let's provide 149. Then let's see our logic is right or not. Okay. See, 149 greater than what? 149, because cutoff -1 will be 149. So the condition become false, and this statement will, the print statement will not get executed. Okay, so control S, come to the cmd, okay, and type here java syscon.java, and after that java cont. So no output. Okay, that's why our code is correct. Okay, so you can just write it, or you may understand this, what is the logic behind this. Okay, what is the logic behind this? Sir, please repeat again. Please. Sir, why you use main method? Sir, please clear the doubt. Okay. See. So basically, we are using, why we are using the main method? Okay. See, what is the reason behind this? Let's understand this. Okay. Because the reason will come. Before the explaining, I just told you to focus more on the logics, not outside that logic. But our mind is like that, it will focus on that. Why we are using main method? Why we are not using any other thing? See, let's see that reason. Here I am writing public, okay, I am writing full program. See, class, okay, let's take some name, test. Okay, this is the class name. Okay, here I will write public static void main. Okay, here I will write string array str. Inside this I will write this bracket. Now see, as we all know that JVM is controlling this class. Okay, JVM is the father of this class. Okay, and JVM talk only with this main method, because this is the CEO. Okay, this is the CEO, and this is what, this is the manager. So JVM can only understood the language of manager. Okay, JVM only check the uh, logics inside the main method. Okay, inside the main method, not any other method. So they both are friend and understood each other, in which JVM is the CEO of the company and the main method is the manager of the company. Okay, so sir, you are telling that it is a manager of the company, and it is solving the problem. Okay, it's providing the logic. Okay, it's providing the loops. Okay, so for now manager is behaving like a employee. Why? Because we have to just focus on the logics, what we are writing. Okay, not how the managers manage the things. Okay, after that we will see that how main methods working like a manager, and it's providing the task to its employee. That employee are the other methods. Okay, and this main methods is the manager. But for now, for our understanding, we are providing logics inside the main method. Why main method? Because JVM, which is the operator of Java, can only talk with the main method. Okay, so when in the further classes, when we study methods, inside that we will get more knowledge on the main method. Okay, uh, that much for now it's sufficient to understand. Okay, for the main reason means, for what we can say, something can be understand in the next classes. uh, okay, next classes, not more than that I can explain you now, because I didn't taught you oops, okay, methods. So I can't explain you actually what is the use of main method. That's why in the starting, what actually I told to you, just focus inside this logic and just mug up these things for now, because the creator of Java created Java like that. First who is learning Java should focus on logics. Okay, not in this main method. We as a student also, when we are on the learning phase, we also focus on this. Our trainer or teacher told us also the same thing, that don't take tension on the main method. That is the future thing. Okay, future learning. For now, just focus on the this things. Okay, this logics. Okay, so Prashant 17 asking from me that oops when. So I will tell to him that I am teaching you today control statement. Okay, if control statement get completed, after that method I will teach to you. Okay, which is also very much important. First method, first method, then oops. So let's take 2 days approx. Okay. Now, Pranshu Mishra, have you cleared your doubt? Okay. Now, let's take some more examples of if. Let's take some more example on if. See, let's take an example of institute fees. Okay. So, int fees equal to, let's take that the fees is for 50,000 of the institute. Okay. And after that we are providing the fees. So if anyone, let's take that money also, int uh, paid, how much money paid, let's take 45,000. Okay, so if paid is less than, okay, paid is less than fees, then the condition will be first s dot o dot p, first pay full amount, full amount, amount, then attend, then just leave here, then okay, first pay full amount, then what, s dot p, then you can attend the class. Okay, the logic is this, let's understood this. See, there is an institute which fees is 50,000, and if you just clear that amount, okay, if you paid that much of amount, then you can join the class. Okay, then you can join the class. If not, first pay the amount, then you can attend the class. Okay, like that. If he paid this, then this logic will not implement. Okay, this logic will get uh, skipped, and just this message will come, you can attend the class. Okay, if you didn't pay that much amount that the institute fees is, then this line will, this logic will implement. Okay, this if condition will sorry, if block will get executed, and the output, final output will be first pay full amount, then you can attend the class. Okay, this is the logic behind this. So let's check inside the code. Okay, just remove this. We will do the fresh start. We will do the fresh start. Fine. So no doubt here. Okay, let's come here. and solve the problem. C. Int fees equal to 50,000, and who and the paid fees is till now is of 45,000. So what will be the condition if, okay, if fees is less than, sorry, paid is less than fees, okay, then what will be the condition that system dot out dot println first pay the fee, pay the fee, then then and just remove this ln. Let's see what will happen. Okay, then system dot out dot println system dot out dot println, you can attend the class. Okay, this is the logic. Now let's see here. The fees is 50,000 and the student paid 45,000. So 45,000 is less than fees. So this block will get executed. If block will get executed. So here first pay the fees, then this statement will get executed. Okay. After that you can attend the class will get executed. So let's see this on the console. Okay. Let's see on the console. Just clear the screen. CLS. Come here. Java Java. Okay. This. So what here written? First pay the fees, then you can attend the class. Okay, fine. So it's nice. First pay the fees, man. You have till now paid 45,000 and you have to pay 50,000, then you can attend the class, not directly. So this is the logic. Okay, the computer is doing work for us. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, okay, we will just convert this to 50,000. So here should be what? Less than, yes, less than. Because 50,000 is less than 50,000 will get become false and this condition will not executed. Now the student have paid the full fees. Okay. Now let's come here. Let's see. So here you can see you can attend the class. That first line is not coming into the picture. Why? Because that condition become false and didn't get executed. Now here is one false. What is the false is? What is the false is someone can pay more than 50,000. Okay, so someone may pay more than 50,000. Okay, for that we will provide if else if ladder later. Okay, for now you should understand this much. After that we will jump to the if else. After that we will jump to the if else if ladder. There we will get to understand how to manage that more than 50,000 situation. Okay, for now it is sufficient to learn. Okay, if fees will be less than paid means yes, you if you have paid less than the fees, then the if condition will get executed. For now that much is sufficient to understand. Okay, let's jump to the next. What is that? That is that is come here. If else. Okay, if else. So in this, what is the scenario will be? Let's understand with full concentration. Okay, let's understand with full concentration. Okay, come here. Wait, where is the button? So one of the student just told to me, nice video, looking for more videos on these basic operators. Okay, the name of the student is everything Java. So I'm just giving him heart and telling to him thanks, thank you. So as more and more student will connect to me, I will just teach you in the next level. Okay, next level. Never come on the YouTube. Okay, never come on the YouTube. See here, if you have doubt, you can ask from me. Okay, from me. Till control statements. Till control statements. Why? Because I have teach you till control statements. Today control statement will get over. After that we will jump to methods, and methods will be next level. Okay, method will be of next level, and today also I will teach you in the next level. It's just a start. I will just explain you if. After that I will just jump to if else, if ladder, and I will teach you all that bloody control statements today. Okay, so just you can utilize yourself in this video. Okay, you can just give time on this video, and you will definitely learn this control statements, my words. See, what will be the scenario now? Let's feel it. Okay, let's feel it. As I have started from very basics. Okay, we have just understood that first of all we talk humans to human. Okay, we are giving humans work because humans can a decision. Humans is a decision maker. Okay, decision maker. So we will give task to the humans, but now we are giving task to the computer. So that's why we are just making our computer a decision maker. So inside control statement, that's why we are studying these conditions. Due to these conditions we are just giving brains, or we can say that we are just making our computer, we are just controlling the computer, and just we are providing computer a decision making, things like that. Okay, so come here. Now I will explain you if else. Okay, now again I am taking the scenario of father and son. Father and son. This is the father. Okay, and this is the son. This is the son. So he is father, and this is son. Now let's see. See what? Father is telling to his son that if you have just cleared the cutoff of the exam, just tell to me. If not, then also tell to me that I didn't clear the exam. Okay, have you got the question? The question is that father is telling to, what is the logic behind this? Father is telling to his son that if you clear your exam, just tell to me that you have cleared the exam. If not, then also tell to me that I didn't clear the exam. So here, one thing is common, that son will definitely reply to his father. Mind my word, what I actually told to you, tell to you. I have just tell to you in this scenario, one is common with son. Okay, what is common with son is that now the son will have to reply to the father. Okay, there is no scenario like that. Son have to reply or not. But in this case, the son have to reply to his father. Definitely. Okay. So let's first check the syntax of if else. Syntax of if else. If bracket, inside this bracket the condition will be, inside this condition this is the block, and there is also one more block of else, but in this there will be no any type of condition. Okay, now else have its own block and both have statements. This also have statements, this also have statements. See, if the condition will be true or condition will be false, so here only two possibilities are there. Okay, the condition may be false or the condition may be true. If the condition will be true, then if block will get executed and else block get skipped. Okay, if the condition is false, then the if block get skipped and else block get executed. Okay, again I am repeating, just listen carefully. What actually I have told to you, that if condition will be true, then this block will executed of what, if block. If this condition will be false, then which block will get executed, then this else block get executed. Okay, this else block get executed. So this is the scenario. So here you can watch that any one statement will fix that it will get executed. It may be else or it may be if. Okay, any one statement will get executed, it is fixed. Okay, till now you have cleared. Okay, now we will just jump to the code and see the code. Come here, let's see the logic. See, now you have understood the condition. Okay, now let's jump to the code and understand this. See, int the cutoff is equal to 150. Okay, and the num is equal to 140. Okay, if num, okay, greater than, okay, num greater than equal to, okay, cutoff cutoff, then there will be one statement, else there will be the another statement. If I am providing the statement, state, sorry, system dot out dot println, here I am writing just Papa, I have passed. I have passed the exam. Inside else, we will providing system dot out dot println. Okay, here Papa, I have I have failed in the exam. So these are the two conditions. Okay, in this anyone will definitely execute, but it depend on the condition. So here num is greater than cutoff. Okay, so num is what, 140. So 140 will be greater than equal to 150. No, so this block will not get executed, this block will get executed. Papa, I have failed the exam. Okay, so this simple code, let's see. Just cls command for clearing the screen. Now I'm providing javac count.java, count.java. So here is one error. So I have provided colon. Here we have to provide semicolon. Control S. Again go to the CMD. Just write CLS. After that javacon.java, and after that java con. Papa, I have failed the exam. So the logic is working correctly. Okay. Papa, I have failed the exam. Let's now pass that boy or girl. Control S. Go to the CMD. Just write here javacon.java. After that java con. Papa, I have passed the exam. Okay, so it's working fine. Now let's reverse the situation. Now else should just uh, means the if statement should be reversed to the else statement, and the else statement should be reversed to the if statement. Let's convert this that I have failed the exam. Papa, I have failed the exam, and just do this as Papa, I have passed the exam. Okay, just I have reversed it. Fine. So what should be the case now here? So I should write 150. Okay, less than equal to. So we can't provide less than equal to. Okay, because 150, if we will get 150, then this case will get executed. Let's see first. Control S. Go to the CMD, clear the screen. Just provide here javac con.java and java con. Papa, I failed the exam, but how it can be possible? Why? Because he got 150 and the cutoff also is 150. So here from here we have to remove this equal to. Okay, we have to remove this equal to. Now if num will less than cutoff, what? 149, 148, 147. So this line will get executed. Okay, so now let's take num as 150 and go to the CMD. Cont.java. Okay, now see here. Papa had passed the exam. So the code is working fine. Okay, the code is working fine. Now let's make it 149. Now he is failed. So let's go to the CMD. Okay, clear the screen. Java C con.java, and after that java con. Papa has failed the exam. So fine. Now else is handling this statement, and if is handling else statement. Okay, I just reversed it and it's working fine. So if you have a knowledge on these things, you can play with it. Okay, you can play with it. So let's see. Any doubt to anyone? Sir, when we can accept oops and other difficult concepts? Wait for approx 1 2 days. 1 2 days. Okay. Messify 1 2 days. Okay, then I will start oops. Before oops, we should have knowledge on these things. Okay, and method also. Like till now, I have just explained you what is Java, history of Java, why Java is high level language, why Java is platform independent, means features of Java. After that, I have explained you operators, data types, variables, tokens, the keywords, identifiers, which is inside tokens, that I have explained you. Now we are going for control state flow statements. After that we will jump to the methods. After that we will jump to the oops. So now today we will complete control statements. After that we will jump to that we will jump to what? We will jump to methods. After that, we will jump to oops. So 1 2 days it will be. Means today I am teaching this control statement. Tomorrow I will teach you method. So one day after I will teach you this oops. Okay. So you can subscribe me. You can like me. Okay. You can comment if you have any doubt. That all thing you can do. Okay. And if you want to join your friends, then you can share the link, YouTube link, and he can also enjoy my video. Fine. And if my likes will increase, my subscriber will increase. Okay, comments are increased, then I will provide oops in the next level what knowledge I got from my trainer, that I will share more than that. Okay, then I will share more than that. So if you want to learn oops from me, then for the first time on the YouTube I will prove that till now the YouTubers provided the oops concept are not that good. Okay, if you like me, subscribe me, subscribe me. Okay, if you like me, subscribe me, comment me, comment me. I will provide, I will provide oops in the next level, next level. Till now, till now, that concept means what we can say next level. Okay, fine, enough for this statement. Okay, see, actually, what is the case of YouTube? Okay, let's first understand the algorithm in YouTube. Okay, till now we have discussed if else. After that we will discuss if else if. Then we will discuss switch. After that we will discuss that looping statements. Okay, then after we will explain looping statements. For now, listen to me. See, YouTube algorithm. So here, main thing is that you have to bring views. Okay, so YouTube persons come on YouTube to become YouTuber to get more views so he can generate more money from that. Okay, so here YouTube algorithm, people come here to get more views. Okay, and to make more views, they teach easy topics. Okay, easy topics. Why they teach easy topics? Then the viewers, the students will think that this topic is very easy, so I can understand, I can go through it, I can become that thing. Okay, I can become that perfectionist in that subject. Okay, so the who provide YouTube on YouTube, okay, YouTube videos on YouTube, they are making just fool because they are working on to get views. Okay, so that's why they make easy videos on that subject. Okay, they not make that subject easy, they make easy videos. Both are different actually. The subject is easy, but it totally depend on the trainer or teacher, okay, who is making that subject easy. But if you're taking easy topics, okay, like for example, if someone just teaching you like this, int a equal to 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, so s out p, what will be the output of this? So it is simple a math problem. Who can tell, who can means a nursery student can also tell to us, okay, what will be the output of this? And the whole subject teach like this only, then the uh, student will understood that this language is easy. Okay, but actually that language is easy, but it's totally dependent on the trainer. Okay, that is totally dependent on the trainer. And the students actually who are brilliant or who can understand things better, he will just follow that trainer who is teaching right. Okay, actually right. But rest of what he can't understand, that he got get fooled by that trainer. Okay, uh, I think that you have understood this what actually I am telling to you. So in the easy language, I can say to you that selling uh, what the word of that, selling jhoot, okay, is very easy, but to sell truth is very difficult. Okay, selling lie is very very easy, but selling truth is very hard, very hard. So all are selling lie. Okay, all are selling lie. because selling line, what will be the proper English of truth? Okay, wait, opposite of truth, falseness, lie, fiction, untruth. Let's take untruth, more better. Selling untruth is very easy. Okay, so that's why today Indians are enjoying selling untruth, and it is the harsh truth that we have to just understood. Okay, this is the harsh truth that we have to understood. So who is actually trying also on YouTube to sell the true things, right things? Okay, he's failing because no one supporting him. So after that, what will happening? 2 hours complete subject videos are launching on YouTube. Okay, and who actually teaching in the right way? Who's taking time? Who's connecting with the student and taking time to understand the things? Actually failing on the YouTube. That's why just they are doing paid courses. So in my suggestion also, you should also join paid classes. Okay, paid classes. Left YouTube, paid classes. Okay, find good teachers. Okay, then don't think of giving money to him. If the teacher is brilliant, if the trainer is brilliant, just just give money to him. Okay, just give money to him. He's asking 5,000. Give to him, but the teacher should be right. Okay, that you have to find. If the teacher is right, he will sell you the truth, means sell you the right thing, right guidance. Okay, he will just trying to pull you up, not pull you down. And in the current market, that type of teacher are very less. Okay, and you have to just main means what we can say, main power, main work to find the correct trainer uh, in the current scenario. Okay, so that's the truth. Let's back to the topic. Let's back to the topic. So now we will learn if else if ladder. So till now, have you have powered how's the Josh? How's the Josh? It's the start only. How's the Josh? How the Josh? Hi sir. Hi sir. How's the Josh? Hi sir. Now let's jump to if else if ladder and try to figure it what that shit is. Let's start. If else if, okay, ladder. So first I will provide the syntax. Okay. After that we will provide what? The logics. Okay. The logics of this. So first of all, let's jump to the syntax. So this is the syntax. Now I am just providing the syntax. If having the condition, okay, and it has block. Inside block there will be the statement. Statement. Okay. After that, if, not if, else if, and it has also the condition, and it have also a block. Inside block there will be the statement. After that, else if, condition again, condition, inside this statement, statement, statement. Okay. After this, how much the need is, that much else if condition you can provide. Okay. So whatever the need is, that much of condition you can apply, not work like this. This I'm providing the line, okay? That array this, and at the end, okay, else block. Else don't have conditions. It have statement. So see here. Let's focus this. See, if having the condition, okay, else if also the condition, okay. Again there is else if that having a condition, okay. And after that there may be more else if conditions, okay. And at the end there will be the else condition, okay. That is not necessary, okay, to have else condition, not mandatory. If your choice, okay, you can write there else condition. If you don't want that else, you can left it, okay. There will be no compile time error. Fine, it's your choice. If your logics require else block, then provide else block. If your logics or your problem solving don't need to have else block, so you don't need to provide else block, okay. Like that, it's your scenario. Now understood the flow of this means flow of this code, how the flow will work. See, first the controller will come to this if block, okay, and check the condition, okay. Check the condition. If it will be true, then this statement will executed. Rest of the blocks will get skipped and will not get executed, and the controller just skip all and go to the next statement, okay. This is the first scenario that can be happen, okay. After that, listen to the second scenario. If this statement will become false, if then it will check the else if condition, okay. It will not go inside this block, it will go to else if condition. Inside else if condition, if the condition become true, then the else if statement will get executed. If the else if condition get executed, rest of the block will get skipped or uh, not will get executed, or we can say that the rest of the else means this blocks will get ignored, okay. After that the rest of the code will execute it, okay. So see, whenever the controller find first true condition, that block only get executed. Means check one more scenario. See, if all these condition will get true, okay. This condition, if condition, else if condition, next else if condition, and all the else if condition will get true, okay. And else don't have conditions. Fine. So the first condition if true, then this block will get executed, okay, and rest of the block will get ignored, okay. If let's see, if conditions become false and rest of the conditions are true, then the first true condition will get executed and its block get executed, okay. This block become true, then this block will get executed, rest of the block will get ignored, okay. Now let's take the fourth situation. The fourth situation is if all the condition become false, if condition also, else if condition also, else if condition also, and rest else if condition also. Then if the block have else block, okay, if this else if ladder having the else block, then this statement will get executed, okay. This statement will get executed. If else block is not present, okay, inside else if ladder, and that can also be possible, okay, then all the conditions will become, so all the statements, all the blocks get ignored, okay, and this whole line will get ignored. Whole line that we are written here will get ignored, okay. This can be the also condition. And when this condition will occur, this condition occur when all the conditions become false and else block is not present inside if else if ladder, okay. So this is all about if else if ladder. So if you have any doubt, you can ask from me. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask from me. I will explain you in the next level. So first feel this if else if condition, then I will give you the explanation. Sorry, logics, questions. Then we will jump to the questions. Fine. After if else if ladder, we will go to switch questions. Sorry, switch. Understand switch. Okay. After this, we will jump to the C. Now let's go for the questions. Logic. See, what is the question is? Question is of grades. Okay. In this, what will be the scenario? If the student get more than 90, so he will get A grade. If less than 90 but more than 80, okay, then he will get B grade. Okay, 70 to 80 E grade. Okay, like this. So see, it will just see the conditions. What condition become true? Here more conditions are available. Means there is a kind of range. Okay, whenever the range is, okay, listen my words. Whenever the range is, so we will go for if else if ladder. Okay, this is the range. This is the range. Okay, where it will falls. Okay, for example, who having height more than 6 feet, so we can say that he is long, but having height between somehow 5.5 to 5.11, so it is also one situation in which we can say the height is average. Okay, and below 5 feet 5 inch, we can say that height is less. So in this scenarios, there are lots of conditions. So for that, we use if else if ladder. Fine, if else if ladder. Got it? What is the logic behind this? If there may be multiple conditions, not only one condition filling our problems. So okay, fulfilling our problem. So we just jump to the if else if ladder. So let's take a simple question. Okay, simple logic to understand this. See, int num. Okay, marks. Take marks is what? Let's take 95. If okay, marks greater than equal to what? 90. Okay, let's take 90 as what? 90 as A grade. Okay, 91 as A grade. So I am taking greater than equal to. Okay, and here I will just write, and here I will write just system dot out println. Okay, here I will write A grade. So he got A grade. Fine. C. After that, what will be the condition? Else if this is the condition. So here, what will be the marks? So marks will be what? Marks less than equal to, okay, what? Less than equal to what? First take the scenario of greater than equal to 80, and necessary marks should be less than equal to 89. Fine, less than 89. So he will get B grade. B grade. Fine. After that, the scenario will be else if, okay, if marks greater than equal to 70, and marks less than equal to, fine, 79, then the scenario will be what? The scenario that he got C grade. Control V, then he got C grade. Fine. After that, let's take more scenarios. Control C, Control V, greater than 60, okay, and less than 69, because we can't make 70 because 70 is of C grade. So we can write here D grade. Okay. Now, what will be the scenario? See, scenario is, let's take else if this all number are not in the, means these all number are not there. So directly we are writing system dot out dot println average number, average number. Okay, but here our logics are not properly correct. Okay, what is the problem in this logic? So anyone can tell to me? Anyone can tell to me what is the problem with this logic? So here is what problem in this logic. Yes, see, if someone type 105, 120, a negative number, that will also taken as in the consideration. Why? See, Mars is greater than equal to 90. If Mars is greater than equal to 90, so if someone write as 100, okay, as 100, so 200, so it will become right, okay, this condition become true and this block will get executed. So it is not right, okay, 200 is wrong because the top marks will be 100. So here is one issue with this code. Now next will be less than 0. Okay, negative number cannot be taken into the consideration because the minimum number a student can get is 0. So 0 to 100, that is the range. Okay, that is the range. So first of all, let's write and see the wrong part of the code. Control S, go to the CMD, just do the CLS here, provide. So here is one error. Okay, here is the error. So what is the error? Okay, wait. Here is the error. If, okay, it's thinking that This else is what is alone. If else if okay. Here will be the space. After a long time I'm using this. Go to the CMD, just clear the screen, just write javac con.java. Again the error is coming, else without if. So here, what is the problem that is coming? Let's see. Okay. Here is not the closing block. That's the problem each. Control S, come here, just run it this. So first compile it and just run with this. See A grade, which is the wrong answer. Okay, wrong answer. Why this is the wrong answer? Because here, see, the maximum number a student can get 100 and we are providing 200. That's why it is a wrong answer. Okay, that's why it is a wrong answer. So we should provide here greater than equal to 90 and marks should be less than equal to 100. Okay, and one more thing, and marks should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, and one more thing we can do like this. Mark should be greater than -1. Okay, marks should be less than equal to 101, or we can write this. The mark should be less than 101, means 100. Okay, and this scenario, okay, we can change, but it will, for you the code become little difficult. So the logics become little difficult. So I just wait here, and this is our final logic. Okay, so now our code become right, but mark greater than -1. So there is one issue. Okay, so first one more thing we have to do. What we have to provide one more else if. Okay, else if inside this the logic will be marks. Okay, okay. Wait. Here this logic will not work. Read this logic from here. Okay, this much the logic is, and one more marks I am creating in which greater than -4, and here system dot out dot println. Okay, here we will provide invalid input. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, this is the logic. We can recorrect this logic more. Okay, as per the necessary, but I think that it will get worked. First take 200. Okay, 200. So wait. No. And mark should be if greater than 100. This both scenario. Okay. Greater than 100 means 101, not 100. So this invalid input scenario will get executed. Okay, at the end. Let's check it's working or not. First go to the CMD button, CMD menu, clear the screen, just write here javac con.java, then java con. Invalid input. Okay, we are just providing invalid input. Now come here, just write just write -1. Okay, control S. Go to the CMD, write, compile it, execute it, average number. So how it can be possible? The mark is negative. Okay, so here it will be not greater than -1. Yeah, it may be greater than -1. Okay, this condition should be worked. So why it's going to the else block? Okay. Here will be or. Okay, here will be or. Why or? Any one situation become true, then this condition should become true and we will get invalid input. Control S, go to the CMD, go to the javac count.java, just execute it, average number. Again it will getting wrong. Okay, wrong. So let's check from the point why we are getting average number. It should not be the average number. See, -1. It will not work here. Okay, it will not work here. It will not work here. It will not work here. Now this scenario is coming. In this scenario, if mark is greater than -1, okay, mark is greater than -1 or mark is greater than 100, okay, so right here 0, okay, less than 0, okay, less than 0. Now let's go and run on the CMD. Clear the screen, javacon.java, javacon, invalid input. Now our code become right. Let's start checking every answer. Let's take it here 100, 100. Control S, javac con.java, javacon, A grade. Okay, he got A grade, fine. But who got 94? What his grade will be? Okay, javac con.java, javacon, A grade. He also got A grade, fine, good. Let's take 65. Okay, so what his grade will be? His or she's grade will be javacon.java, javacon. She get D grade. Okay, D grade. And what will happen if the marks will be 50? Control S, CMD, javacon.java, javacon, average number. Okay, and make this 50 to -50, which is invalid input. So let's check that output will be Java quant, invalid input. Okay, so this is all about elseif ladder. So everyone understood this? Fine. Now let's jump to the switch statement. Let's jump on the switch statement. Switch statement. Statement will start in 5 minutes. Minute. So you can join. Fine. See. So now we will start switch statement. Okay, switch statement. Just I write here code, then directly I will jump to the sorry. First I will write the syntax, then I will directly jump to the code. Okay, then there we will learn how that these logics are implementing, means the switch statement how it's working on the code. Okay, directly, because I am just waiting to jump on the for loop and while loop part because I enjoy that topic. Okay, that's why. Just I am writing the switch. uh, Here will be the bracket. Okay, inside this we will provide the wait switch syntax. After that I will providing the switch. Okay, here is the bracket, here is the block. Inside this I will write case A. Okay, and inside this we can provide our statement. Okay, then we will provide break. Okay, then case B statement. Okay, then break. Fine, and lastly it will run, means more can be possible, and then default. Okay, then statement. Wait, let's go and let's jump to the code directly. Okay, then you will get understand more. Wait, come to notepad, remove this. Fine, come here. See, if I am taking int a equal to 5. Okay, int a equal to 5, now I am providing the switch statement. Switch. Okay, here will be the case variable. Okay, here will be the block. See, here is not the condition. Here is not the condition. Here is the variable. Okay, here is the variable. But in the case we can't write variable. We can provide constants. Okay, case not a 5. Okay, so I am taking 1. Okay, and here I am providing the statement system dot out dot println. In this I will provide simply matched. Okay, sorry, not matched, not matched. After this we are jumping to case 2. Here case 2. Fine, what is 2? This is int. Which int? That int that we will study, that we study in this. Okay, this int is only, this is our constant. In the case we can't provide variables, we can't write like this a. Okay, here we have to provide constants only. Okay, values. Okay, now here I am providing this system dot this. Okay, and pasting here not matched. After that I am providing directly case 5. Okay, fine. In this I am providing matched. See, because a equal to 5, so case 5 will be get matched. And one more I am providing. Okay, default. This default is what? This default is what? It's like else. It will definitely get executed. Okay, it will definitely get executed. System dot out dot println. This will 100% sure it will get executed if none of the case get executed. Okay, see, the here I will providing from default. From default. Fine. See here, one more thing is here, we should also provide break. Okay, break. Okay, then it will become wrong, so we should provide break. It is not compulsory, but if you will not provide break, there is one problem. Okay, that I will show you. Then I will show you break. Fine, control S. C, come here, just clear the screen. Javac con.java, there is one error, just correct it first. I didn't provide here semicolon. Control S, again go to the cmd, clear the screen. Javac con.java, java cont, matched. Why matched? Because a is 5 and case is also 5, so it is matched with this case 5. If we will just remove this all break, See what will happen. See what will happen. We can provide break in only two things, inside for loop and inside switch statements. Okay, now control S. Let's go to CMD and see the problem with this. See, the matched will executed, but with this from default also get executed, which is wrong. Okay, we want that just match execute, so that's why we provide here break. Okay, break. So with our practice, we should provide everywhere as break. Okay, see what will happen now. Let's remove this all. Okay, break. I am just taking int a equal to 1. Okay, this not matched will execute, but with this all case will also get execute. See control S, cmd, cls, java c con dot java, java cont, not matched, matched from default, all get executed. Now let's take a2. See, case 1 will not execute, but rest of the case will get execute. Okay, that's the issue with if we will not provide break statement. Okay, now again come here, java c con dot java, java cont. See, not matched, matched from default. Okay, so this is the case. This is the case. I think that I hope that you get understood, got understood. Now see, int a equal to 2, fine, okay, but can we take 2.5 double d? So for double we should not write here double, and how we can provide this? Okay, 1.5, okay, 2.5, okay, 5.5. Let's provide break everywhere. Break, 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 fine. So see here, better to write not matched, just write the 1.5, not matched, no, better to write 2.5, so it will be more appropriate. 5.5 from default. Okay, see, we are just checking that our constant can be decimal or not. So int sorry, double a equal to 2.5, so it is matching with this case 2.5, as here 2.5 will be the variable. Okay, the value of a will be 2.5, so it should match with this, but it can be possible or not. Let's see, control s, let's go to the cmd, just clear the screen. Let's see. So here error is coming, character type double is not allowed. Okay, so here we can't use double. Fine, we can't use double here. Why we can't use double? Why? Because Java did not support switch to use pointer values. Okay, so float and double will be not get used in the case of this. Now let's take any other thing, like can we take char or not? So I'm just taking here char a uppercase and here double as a char, replacing with char. Inside this I am providing a, b, c. This one a 1.5 will become a, this will become b, and this will become c. Control s. Now let's check here, cls. So it's worked. So we can provide char. So we can provide int byte short but not long. I think so. Okay, we can provide char. We can't provide boolean. Uh, we can't provide double float. We can provide string from the further updates of Java. Okay, So let's see the string we can execute or not. Let's take string. Okay, my version of Java is what? My version of Java is 221, JDK 21. Okay, so Vishal, but not in single quote, in the double quote. Okay, Vishal in double quote. Now I am taking this as Vishal. I am taking this as Rahul. Let's checking that it will work or not. Okay, small name Vijay. विजय दीनानाथ चौहान है अब इधर आ जाइए एक ही जगह लिख दीजिए विशाल जस्ट राइट हेयर विशाल राइट हेयर राहुल राइट हेयर विजय default now just type control s and let's check let's see it will work or not vishal will work or not cls java c con dot so there is an error can't find symbol let's check what the issue is so just change a to s now control s come to here just write java c con so yes it is working see vishal as an output so we can provide a string okay remember byte short int string char these things all can we can provide but double float long these values these data types we can't provide inside this okay now in the case we can provide constant but not variables but in the case of switch we can provide both let's see remove this string right here directly rahul let's see this will work or not control s okay java java so it will work so we can provide inside switch okay uh, name or sorry variable also and value both but in the point of case we have to provide constants only okay so this is simple a switch okay now there are more things to explain like what there are nested if okay this is also the case nested switch this is also the case nested switch okay so let's go for first for loops okay let's start for loop if I will complete for loops while loops do while loops and then the time permits then I will jump to nested if and nested switch okay if not then I will explain you this all in methods okay the next topic that I will teach you is methods inside methods I will cover nested if nested switch okay there is also nested for loop okay every nested things we will cover in methods which will be I teach tomorrow okay so let's jump to the looping statement and let's enjoy. Okay, let's enjoy. Looping while and for loop will start. While and for loop will start. Okay, I think that whoever is studying here uh, on YouTube knows these things or knows means all you know that operators, data types, loops, uh, conditional statements or not. All you know that. Then if you know, then I will directly jump to oops because I am seeing here in the comment box that there is a demand of oops to teach on YouTube live classes. Okay, so I think that there is a demand of teaching oops on the, but actually we also as a student try to focus on everything, not like just directly jump to oops and to learn things. It's not work, man. See, if you learn Java for 10 hours, okay, and you think that you will learn Java, but it is not a right way to learn. It is a false thinking that we are thinking. Okay, the right way to learn Java is to invest time on Java, put more and more time on Java. Okay, 60 hours, 70 hours, 80 hours is very less. You can understand what I am telling. Just like when we have to create any brand, we have to invest more times on that. Like that, Java is a brand, and we can't ignore it like 10 hours of study. As YouTube videos, if you will see that YouTubers completed Java in just 10-15 hours. So how it can be possible, man? It's of 100-hour course. The creators of Java created Java like that. A student should spend 100 hours on this, on only core Java. Advanced Java 50 hours, Spring Boot 25-30 hours. Then he will understand everything. Okay. Then he will understand Java. So 150 to 200 hour whole Java means full Java, full stack Java. Okay. HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts are easy. JavaScript is little tougher, little tough, not tougher, little tough. But HTML, CSS is easy. Okay. JavaScript is little tough, but not tough than Java. Java is means one of the most toughest language, not more than C. C is one of the most toughest. After that Java, and after that JavaScript. Okay. So as C didn't demand in now for development because of it is little mid-level language, so it's just for learning purpose. But Java is on demand. Most demanding is now I think that it is Python, but the depth is inside Java. Okay, the depth is inside Java. Come here. So we are finally starting for loops. Loops. Okay, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. Loops. Let's start loops 23, 15. Now I will just teach you very fast. Starts at 23, 15. Okay, then we will start loops. धड़कन जहाँ चुप रही है मेरी जिंदगी हम्म, एक चेहरा थे मेरे एक चेहरा तुम ना 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 ला 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 एक चेहरा थे मेरे एक चेहरा तुम प्यार 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 टू 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 लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले के फिर ये तुमको वादा रहा सनम होंगे जुदा न हम करेंगे इशारा तुम बिन जाने कहाँ की दुनिया तुम पा 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 चेहरा थे मेरे एक चेहरा तुम subscribe please, comment please, like please. So let's start for loop. First of all, we will do while loop. After that, we will go for loop. Okay. So let's enjoy this. Okay. So why loops? Why loops? First of all, let's ask from the chat GPT why we need to study loops. Okay. Let's let's learn it from the ground level. Okay. So loops. Okay. Something round and round again and again. That is loops is. So let's go to the Google. Let's ask from the chat GPT. Okay. Why what? Why we have to study loops? First of all, let's ask from what is Java loops? What is Java loops? I am the first one who is studying loops. So please explain me. I never listened this. Okay. What is Java loops? I have a okay, the answer is coming. Let's listen this answer. In Java, loops are control structures that allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly, either for a specific number of times or as long as condition is met. Java supports several types of loops, each serving different use cases. Okay, there is a block of code. which will be executed repeatedly, either for a specific number of time or as long as condition is met. Java supports several types of loops, each serving different use cases. Okay, so just I am holding today video because it's actually touched 2 hours, which is very a long time. Okay, now I think that everyone has just went or gone for sleeping, went for sleeping. Okay, okay, someone is connected with me. Okay, then I will carry on. See, so basically, here, what is written are control structures, okay, that allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly. Okay, so here we have a block of code. Now we can execute it repeatedly. Okay, that power we get by what? By just performing loops. Okay, see, let's understand from the ground level. Okay, before this, okay, wind up today. Actually, I am also a little tired. Okay, so I will continue tomorrow loops. Okay, from a better start, because I'm tired now, so I can't teach you further because today I'm just tired. Okay, so from tomorrow I will start loops. After that, see what will be the now scenario. See, yesterday, tomorrow I will teach you loops. After that, I will teach you methods. Then I will start oops. I think oops will take time, 2, 3, 4 days time. After that, I will jump to that exception handling, access modifier, arrays, multi-threading, collections. After that much is of the part of core Java, and this video is only I am making for core Java. After that, the live class will start for advanced Java, and advanced Java topics are also very big because in that we will study JDBC, servlet, JSP. Okay, we will study Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, JPA, MySQL. So lots of things to study. So it's a very big subject. Okay, in the front end part we can study HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, and I don't know React.js and Angular, that I also have to study. Okay, that I also have to study to make you study, but I am confident because I know that much, so I can understand also React.js and Angular. Fine, I can also understand that. So this is the topic. Okay, this if you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, Advanced Java, frameworks, database, then you can tell to yourself that I am a full stack Java developer. Okay, then you can tell to yourself that you are the full stack Java developer. So this is the big syllabus of 1 year, 1.5 years. Okay, so again I am telling that you have to invest time on this. Okay, see, no one listening. I am just telling to myself how what we can say, how passionate about teaching. You can see my passion. Okay, about teaching. So let's wind up today's class, and we will meet tomorrow and enjoy the tomorrow class. We will start from loops. Okay.